Hi, this is Rima from Healthy Homes. Today I will discuss various sources of dampness in a house and their effects on your health. 1. Improper plumbing installation. This can lead to leakage or dampness problems with gradual use. 2. Faulty waterproofing. If the waterproofing membranes are not overlapped properly, rainwater can seep through the gaps. 3. The intrusion of rainwater through walls. Most common damage inside homes occurs due to water seepage from the gaps between window frames and external walls. 4. The intrusion of rainwater through the terrace. This is also a common type of damage inside homes. Effects of dampness on health. A damp house is a constant source of illness. It causes 1. Respiratory ailments, allergic rhinitis, chronic to acute breathing problems or asthma. 2. Skin ailments, rashes and redness. 3. Depression. 4. Recurring cold and flu. These issues are very common in any apartment. This is where we come in, with our vast technical knowledge and experience over the years. Contact us for providing the best waterproofing services and damp treatment. To watch more videos on how to keep your home healthy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.